Hello, namaste, and welcome everyone. So, first of all, very wish you all a very happy Holi. And behalf of today's day, let's see guidance from Lord Shiva. And here's our first guidance. Surrender to Shiva. Surrender your burdens to Lord Shiva. In letting go, discover the freedom that comes from trusting the cosmic dance of life. And it's a really very huge message, guys, because at times a lot of stuffs and a lot of situations we just cannot have in our own control. We cannot change it also. So always it is better to surrender it, to let go. I'm not saying that just forget it and move on. No, do your work, take your action, but just don't keep on wondering on it. Now what will happen, why I'm seeing no results also. Just move ahead, keep on doing your work, keep making that, keep doing your karma with respect to that particular thing. This is what has been said over here, and this is what you should do. Well, some of them may take time to let go and surrender, but you have to learn this with time, because otherwise universe and these divine forces have their own way to teach you this. I'm not trying to scare you or so, but just telling you the truth. Let's see another message. Oh wow. Nataraj dance. Witness the cosmic dance of Nataraj within your own life. Every step is a rhythmic manifestation of the universe grand design. So whatever is happening in your life, and can you see the sun and this all planets over here, is somehow it's like, it's happening because somewhere the Natraj, the avatar of Lord Shiva, is dancing, and so is everything happening. So if we consider, then this might be also the thing, the changes that are currently happening in universe with respect to planetary positions, because as I'm seeing in the picture, that may be because of all this thing. So according to your own individual life, you can compare it, you can relate it, you can resonate it. Again, a beautiful message, and somewhere we are getting a clue like why is this happening. And yes, why is this even happening? Somewhere we have only gone wrong, we have only done so many mistakes, and hence this is what is happening with, because of this divine energies. The creator of this universe is also somewhere upset, we can say that. Thank you.